Expecto Patronum!
Welcome, Harry, to Diagon Alley.
Pointed out, the parchment clearly says Dumbledore's army.
The third floor corridor on the right-hand side is out of bounds to everyone who does not wish to die a most painful death.
Oh, Harry, if you die down there, you're welcome to share my toilet.
Thanks, Myrtle.
The Chamber of Secrets has been opened. Enemies of the air, beware.
I solemnly swear that I am up to no good.
We've all got both light and dark inside us. What matters is the part we choose to act on. That's who we really are.
What's that?
Wrong. Many fearsome beasts that roam our land. None is more deadly than the basilisk. Capable of living for hundreds of years, instant death awaits any who meet this giant serpent's eye. Spiders flee before it. Strange. I've never seen spiders act like that.
I don't like spiders.
It's all right. Go in.
Thank you.
Take your flu powder. That's it. Very good.
Diagonally.
Veritas syrup. 3 drops of this, and you know who himself would spill his darkest secrets.
You grasp your mandrake firmly, you pull it sharply.
Cornish pixies.
Amortentia doesn't create actual love. That would be impossible, but it does cause powerful infatuation or obsession.
You're in for a rough night, Potter. Regrowing bones is a nasty business.
Curious little potion, known as Felix Felicis. But it is more commonly referred to as...
Liquid luck.
Yes, Miss Granger.
It's locked. That's it. We're done for. Oh, move over. Hello, A werewolf has no choice. With each full moon, when he transforms, he no longer remembers who he is.
I shall place the sorting hat on your head, and you will be sorted into your houses.
It's just bewitched to look like the night sky. I read about it in Hogwarts, a history.
Somebody inked it in. He hasn't passed the book, somebody drew it.
Luna's dad was wearing that at Phil and Fleur's wedding.
Then, Mr. Gilroy, lock.
I still need a wand.
A wand? Well, you want Ollivander's. Ain't no place better.
It's a truth text. And that it's terribly tricky to make, Mrs. Amortentia.
I'm told he's been thoroughly unriddled by Rita Skeeter in 800 pages, no less. Bathilda Backshot. Oh my God, boy, she's only the most celebrated magical historian of the last century.
Hagrid, what exactly is that?
That, it's,
We'll have to wait for the polyjuice potion to know for sure.
Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times, if one only remembers to turn on the light.
Messrs. Mooney, Wormtail, Padfoot and Prongs are proud to present the Marauder's Map.
Dear Mr. Potter, we are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. These aren't real frogs, are they?
Grave danger. Has this anything to do with Sirius Black, sir?
Bellatrix Lestrange.
The Golden Snitch.
I like this ball.
Ah, you like it now. Just wait. It's wicked, fast, and damn near impossible to see.
What do I do with it?
You catch it. Before the other team seeker. You catch this, the game is over. You catch this, Potter, and we win.